Introduction. In English, words are grouped based on how they are used in sentences. These groups are called parts of speech. Knowing them helps us understand and use the language correctly. Traditionally, there are 8 parts of speech, but modern grammar sometimes includes a 9th part, called a determiner. Traditional 8 parts of speech. Noun. Names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: dog, teacher, city, love. Pronoun. Replaces a noun to avoid repetition. Examples: he, she, it, they, we. Verb. Shows an action or a state of being. Examples: run, eat, sleep, is, was. Adjective. Describes or gives more information about a noun. Examples: big, happy, red, fast. Adverb. Describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Examples: quickly, very, well, loudly. Preposition. Shows the relationship between a noun, or pronoun, and another word. Examples: in, on, at, under, between. Conjunction. Connects words, phrases, or sentences. Examples: and, but, or, because. Interjection. Expresses strong feelings or emotions. Examples: wow, ouch, oh, hey. Modern 9th part of speech. Determiner. Introduces and gives more details about a noun. Examples: a, an, they, some, this, those. Some linguists, grammarians, classify determiners as a type of adjective, but modern grammar typically recognizes them as a distinct category. Conclusion. Understanding these 9 parts of speech makes it easier to read, write, and speak English correctly. They help form clear and meaningful sentences.